Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Abdul Rauf Khan from Karachi. The topic is happiest moment of my life. The life is fulfilled of happy and buoyant moments. You know very well. This is a part of game. This is a part of life. My happiest moment is that 16th of November 2006. The ISSB recommended me. This is the happiest moment of my life. And I changed the topic. Just Major Imran Saab, I salute you. I really salute you. Your notes, your physical trainings, you do well, sir. Really do well. No one compare you. Really, no one compare you. And I suggest that the all students to do well, to have to do well. Really, sir, you do a great job. May Allah bless you, sir. And I wish to come and I want to meet you, sir, in your academy, inshallah. I wish you all the very best. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.